What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. So today we're back with another wig install, and today we are featuring Yoowigs. This is their packaging. I'm just gonna show you guys what I received in my package. So I received a wig cap along with our wig, and this is our wig for today. It is a 18-inch 13x4 skunk stripe body wave wig. This is it. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready to be installed. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Yoowigs, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. So I won't be wearing any wig cap. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip strap on, and then we install our wig. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace. Again, this lace comes bleached already, but I'm still gonna apply a little bit of foundation to my lace before putting it on. But this is what our lace is looking like. Again, this is their HD lace. The unit comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our unit. So this is what our lace is looking like now that we added the foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so I just put my wig on, and this is it. This is what it's looking like. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Today I'll be using my Ebin Wonder lace bond glue to install this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. So I will be cutting the excess lace off before gluing my wig. But again, this is their HD lace, and this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig, and this is it. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish styling our wig. I'm definitely gonna try to keep it as natural as possible, but this is what it's looking like. Again, this is their HD lace wig, and this is it. I'm just gonna tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish styling our wig. Alright guys, so I just finished curling my wigs. I don't know, I can't seem to get both sides on the same level. However, it still looks super cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off, see what it looks like. I honestly want to keep it as natural as possible, so let's see what it looks like, and then we will decide what we will be doing today. So this is what it's looking like after I took the strap off. It is super melted, super blended. This is it. I definitely won't be making any baby hair for this unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb to just go over this, but this is what it's looking like. It is super bouncy. I am loving it. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so this is the finished look and I love how it turned out. It is given layers, it's given laid, it's given natural, and I am impressed and in love with this unit. Again, this unit is from Yoowigs and this is their 18-inch 13x4 body wave wig, and this is the finished look guys. I really do love how this turned out. It is super bouncy and it's super cute. It's given natural. This is it. It's been laid, it's given natural, it's given layers, and I am truly amazed by how this turned out. If you want to get this unit, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Yoowigs, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. It is super bouncy, super natural. It's given layers, it's given laid. This is it. Super soft. This is it. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.